Who are you?
Oh, without, please.
Don't take your love to town.
I'm the victim, and you are the kidnapper. Kidnap for Beginners, Chapter 1. Have you even asked for a ransom yet?
Mr. Neville, I got your daughter here. Well, do you know how long he might be?
I'd like to make a withdrawal.
Thought we agreed, no cliches. Maybe we should go out.
What, like on a date?
Well, I got your daughter here, and I'm gonna send her back in pieces unless... Oh, I'm sorry, madam. No, I must have dialed the wrong number.
From Fox Video comes a powerful story of innocence.
He looks like a clown, Mom, and he doesn't even know it.
You do understand that you may be the only person at this party with artificial sideburns.
I like your sideburns.
Passion.
So how come you never asked me out? Scared of me or something?
Hell no.
Betrayal.
I didn't know how you felt about Pam.
And love.
Either you're mad at me because you're mad at me, or you're mad at me because you like me. Which is it?
Both.
Inventing the Abbotts, the critically acclaimed film starring Liv Tyler and Joaquin Phoenix. Joel Siegel of Good Morning America says, Inventing the Abbotts is one of the best films I've seen this year.
If I had a choice between having tons of money or having another father, I'd be absolutely delighted to be poor.
And ABC TV calls it sensational.
I've been thinking that maybe we shouldn't see each other right now.
When innocence fades away, all that's left to hold on to is each other.
Do you love me, Doug?
No matter what.
Inventing the Abbotts, directed by Pat O'Connor.
I like being here like this.
Fox Searchlight Pictures presents
This is the business.
Comini,
Oh, jeez! Have to cinch me hair again.
in a story about friendship
Oh!
and the joys of owning your own business.
It's your problem. It's your problem.
It's not fish.
What is it? It's white. It's a nappy. Is it a used one? No. Ah, well, that's all right then, huh?
The Van, featuring music performed by Eric Clapton.
In a place of danger,
You! No go!
a woman of courage,
You refuse to bow to him.
No, I think not.
a woman of faith,
The will to survive is very strong, stronger than anything.
and a woman of mystery. Together, they dare to turn a song of hope into a symphony of triumph.
orchestra? You're crazy. I happen to think it's worth risking.
Paradise Road, rated R.